Whoa! Didn't see you there. How you doing? Nigel Brinker back again after a nice commercial break. Alright, here we are on the wild down under of Newtown, Connecticut woods. And I'm Nigel Brinker. Okay? I'll be showing you how to survive.
Shot through the heart, and you're too late, darling. You give love a bad name.
Hello everybody, this is Nigel Brinker, here on the World Survivalist Tour. Alright, my show today is about showing you how to survive in the wilds. Alright. First, running without getting your feet in all the grass. Well, I should say nature, 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 nature. What I'm showing you here is just a little skill of running in the wild. Don't get your feet planted like this. No, bad. Be light on your feet like this. And run. Later, Nigel Brinker. Eating healthy. Hello, this is Nigel Brinker out here in the deep wild. I've just stumbled upon something that looks like food for the night. Food for the night. Alright, here we are. I'm gonna eat this now. That's how you're supposed to eat that kind of thing. Don't eat that. That's not dinner. But maybe this is some natural lettuce. Give it a shot at least. No, nothing's going here. Finding a great place to spend the night. Alright, Nigel Brinker here. What we're gonna do here is try to get a nice shelter. A bunch of leaves. The insulation. Alright, gonna go in there, pick this spot, the insulation. Let me just make myself acquainted here. Oh, that's a bed for the night. And here we are, sleeping, ready for the night. Like a baby. Like a wee baby, this place puts me to sleep with the insulation. Feel it, touch it. Alright, Nigel Brinker here. Looks like I've just stumbled upon a giant spider's nest. Let's check it out. Here's the spider nest. Beautiful. There's the spider. This is Nigel Brinker just here to thank you for watching my video, and that I hope I taught you something along the way. But before you go, I found the beast. The lioness of the depths. Here she is. Ready. I'm sneaking up on her. Here we are. Let me just see if I've tamed her. Enough. Here we are, beast. Pull. Oh, jeez. Oh, thought she was gonna... Ah! Oh, oh, oh. Lioness, you bit me. Oh, Jesus. Lioness everywhere. Where'd it go? Oh!
Shot through the heart.